Check this out, guys. Today I'm going to show you what it's like to drive a Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute from a first-person point of view. Powered by a 5-liter twin-turbocharged V8, it makes 1,600 horsepower, just filled up with fuel. It runs on E85 for maximum power. This is how much it costs to fill up in England. Let's go ahead and hop in. How cool is the Koenigsegg key? Shaped exactly like the Koenigsegg logo. Let's put that here. We've got a beautiful digital display that rotates with the steering wheel, paddles for that 9-speed transmission. We actually have Apple CarPlay and some cool tech in here. You can also shift via this lever here. Look how gorgeous that carbon fiber blue Alcantara bucket seats are. All right, first time in a Jesko. Let's see what it's like. Oh. The last clip you were in, while I was vlogging, was in the other Koenigsegg. So pretty much the only time I see you these days is inside of a Koenigsegg.
Dancing in a McLaren through the Malibu canyons.
That's true.
Borat music.
That was a good time.
We should do that on this.
I'm down.
For sure.
So can I ask why the Absolute versus the Attack?
Because it's more baller. No,
that's the best answer I've ever heard.
No, in all honesty, softer suspension, more boot space, the roof can go in the front. I prefer the look of it.
Oh my god. That's nuts.
That wasn't accelerating, mate.
Oh yeah, that's not accelerating.
No, trust me.
Alright, well show me then. Accelerate. My God, dude.
See what I mean?
What? What? Oh my God. This thing is a lot more raw than I was expecting.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
Yeah, and this is the softer suspension? Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's in sport mode though, so it's kind of a little bit
It feels
harder.
good. What's the steering like compared to the Regera?
Oh, 50,000 times nicer.
Really?
Yeah, you can actually feel where the wheels are. I liked the Regera until I drove this and I was like, oh man, the steering is loads better.
Oh my God.
The noise of it is probably the
It's
same
actually
as
the best thing ever.
And it's not warm yet. This thing explodes and doesn't pop it back.
This is cool. Koenigsegg first aid kit. Hopefully you never need to use it, but that is awesome.
All it has in it is like a vodka Red Bull and a plaster.
It has ambient lighting, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
There we go.
Oh, that's wicked.
There we go.
Nice, matchy.
The ambient lighting also reflects onto here as well, so that's like blue lighting.
Yeah. No, it creates a nice vibe in here for sure. Have you ever floored it in second gear or just third?
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of, you know, it pulls so hard in any gear, really.
Yeah.
I mean, I've floored it from first all the way to fifth, but I mean, realistically, it's more fun doing it from like third because
sure.
you actually get the power.
Yeah. What percent throttle was that?
So you can actually see.
Oh, really?
On the power bar, it shows how much throttle you're using. And at the moment, I'm currently not accelerating. If I accelerate, you can see it comes up.
Oh, that's cool. I mean, that was really fast, and I know you obviously weren't full on the gas.
I wasn't like. I think I've been like full on the gas accidentally once. Like this is.
And you cried? Just had to.
Yeah, this isn't. This is like, listen, I've driven almost every Koenigsegg model. In fact, I think I now have apart from a CC8. And I promise you when I say that this thing is the way that the gearbox works is like it's hyperactive. As in it's like I mean in fifth you're accelerating, it's just got so much raw power. And the U-Pod system is brilliant.
Really?
We're in fifth, and it says, okay, now sixth is the best. But say I want to overtake.
Oh, that's cool. if you're not already, make sure to follow Zach's Garage on YouTube.
Oh,
Got a
yeah.
link in the description below.
Shout out Zach's Garage.
I mean, you're giving me a ride in a Jesko Absolute. I gotta shout you
Also,
out.
the content's getting better. The content is...
The content is getting much better. I'm
pretty
very
cool, to be
impressed.
fair.
Genuinely.
Thank you very much. I think it's kind of weird is when you drive the car, because there's 9 gears.
Yeah.
You change gear a hell of a lot.
Sure.
Like, you actively notice that it's harder to drive because you're constantly changing. I mean, you can leave it in auto.
Yeah.
And then auto puts it highest gear possible all the time. And if you need a bit of response, you don't get any, and it suddenly goes, and then it's third.
Sure.
So, like, look, if I go 6th, 7th, and it'll get into 8th in a minute. And if I want to accelerate, it goes.
Oh, interesting.
And then, but as soon as you come off the accelerator, it'll upshift again to get. So it's constantly looking for the highest gear, which is cool if you're in, like, on a motorway or something. But I just leave it in manual because it's not that hard.
So you said we're in sport mode. What modes does it have?
So it has those modes there. So it's got wet, snow, comfort, sport, and track. I mean, to be fair, comfort's probably the one to do at the moment because it softens the suspension, lifts the ride height a bit. Yeah, just cool.
I really love this circular moonroof. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, and the brightness from this is crazy.
It actually is amazing. It's saving the video. I apologize in advance that the quality isn't going to be as good because it's dark, but this light here is literally an awesome feature. Oh, corner's flat.
Yeah, this must be weird for you going up and down in a car.
Well, it's weird for me being in the passenger seat, but feeling like I'm in the driver's seat because I'm on I'm on the wrong side. The backfires are outrageous.
Yeah, you can make it really backfire, but I mean, our number plate is almost completely melted now, so I'm kind of being.
Are you being serious?
Oh yeah, they're now doing metal number plates for them because it melts them.
That's unbelievable.
This traffic's a killer. It doesn't like traffic like this.
Yeah, I can imagine. I mean, it's a borderline race car.
Yeah. But it's also very comfy.
I think it's comfy. There's a lot of space in the interior too for a hypercar.
Yeah,
Got good headroom. I love the carbon fiber for the roof. That is cool. The little gold accents. I mean, the spec on this, you did a tremendous job. It really is awesome.
I appreciate that.
Is it scary or intimidating to drive, or not really?
I mean, I've kind of been around them for a long time.
Fair enough, yeah.
So the answer would be like the Agera, not so much. This actually kind of is.
Really?
Yeah, because you can feel the difference in
Sure.
power there is. I mean, it really is.
But the traction control is pretty incredible, right? In terms of grip
Yeah, you kind of hope that you don't find the traction.
That's
control
fair.
coming
Fair
up.
enough,
But,
yeah.
I mean, generally speaking, it's okay. It's not that scary. You just have to realise that, you know, you're resting your foot on the accelerator to do road speed. Any more than that, you start going into airplane speed. You know? And it really is. You know, the speed it's doing so quickly is nuts. It's just terrifying.